Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. It is another delicious yummy recipe. If you want to see how I made this creamy tasty coleslaw, please stay tuned. And the secret of this coleslaw is in the sauce. So if you want to see what I add in to make the sauce extra tasty, please stay tuned. So guys, welcome back once again. We are making a delicious coleslaw. For this coleslaw, I'm using white cabbage and I'm using red one as well. You can use only white if you don't like the red one, but I feel like the red one add extra vavavu to it. Like there is this vibe I get when I mix both of them together. They are good combination anyway. So yes, we are going to slice our cabbage open. We're going to slice them into half, and yeah, we'll start getting on with it. You need a very sharp knife and a strong knife for this part, because slicing it open is not easy at all. It's just so hard to do. But yes, you need to cut it into half with a very strong knife. I was fighting with it there anyway. And yeah, and the main thing of opening it into half is to take out the hard bit in the middle of the cabbage. Yeah, take that out because you don't want to add it inside your coleslaw. So I am also going to be adding carrot inside this coleslaw. So yes guys, first of all, I am going to use my food processor and I'm going to use the slicing side of it to slice some of the vegetable. I just love how it make it very small and very nice. I don't know, but I like it. If you don't have food processor, you don't have to do this part anyway. But after I finish using food processor to do some of them, to slice some of them, I am going to use knife as well to cut some of them. So it is about how you like the texture of your coleslaw anyway. So whichever way you like to slice it is entirely up to you. But yes, I'm gonna do half of them with food processor, and then I'll do the other half with a knife. Okay. So after using the food processor, I'm using my knife. Like I said, I am just going to roughly, slice them in however shape I like to slice them. But yes, do whatever makes you happy at this point, however you like to slice your veg. I like when I use a knife as well, because it just makes it gives it a very nice look to it as well. So yeah, do whatever makes you happy at this point and slice your veg however you enjoy slicing your veg. Yeah. So this is our dressing. For our dressing, we have 1 cup of mayonnaise. We have smoked paprika, smoked. We have red wine vinegar and black pepper. So I'm going to add my mayonnaise inside the plate. I'm going to add 1/8 cup of red wine vinegar. I'm going to drop in about 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm also going to drop in about 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. You can add sugar and salt to this if you want, but I will not be adding sugar and salt to it. And instead of using red wine vinegar, you can use apple cider vinegar as well if it's what you have. So we're going to mix it up very well. We don't want to see any lumps in it. Now we're going to add our dressing inside our coleslaw. Now I'm going to mix everything together with the veg. So guys, we are done with this coleslaw. It is simple and easy to make. It's not that difficult. So now we're going to cover this coleslaw and we're going to leave it in the fridge. It is good to make your coleslaw early. Let's say if you're using it in the afternoon, maybe make it in the morning, you know, wrap it up, put it in the fridge and let it sit there for about maybe 5 hours. And then sometimes it's good to make it the next day and leave it in the fridge for the whole, like for 1 day, so it can sit properly with the dressing and let the dressing go inside the veg. So we are done. Basically, this is how I make my coleslaw at home. And yeah, you can see that it has a good bit of color and it is inviting and welcoming. Anyway guys, this is where this simple, easy coleslaw recipe is going to end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please give a thumbs up if you haven't, and I'll see you all on my next one.